So I was installing the water heater and I ran out of time. It's too late in the night for me to keep going safely, so I'm gonna have to finish this tomorrow. But I got the water heater set in place. I've got the pressure relief valve lined up. It's gonna be the last thing I do. But I did not get to put in the cold water in and hot water outlines. But I did bridge it over here like this, coming off. This is a cold. I looped it around, bridged it, and it goes back into the hot side. The reason I did it is so that we can at least shower, so we can take cold showers. The showers have a valve that's an anti-scalding valve. So it needs both the hot and the cold for the shower to operate. So that is why I just bridged it right here. And I put an additional shutoff valve over here. That way, that'll just buy us some time for tomorrow, and we can take showers and take care of business. Also, tomorrow when I install this and I cut the clamps off, I can just shut it off right here, and that way it prevents any hot water or any water in the line from the upstairs coming down here. That way, I don't have to drain the lines prior to continuing work. Thank you. Have a good night.